Hey guys, this is Candy coming back to you with another video, and before I get into the video, let me just declare that I know that I'm looking busted, guys, because I'm super duper tired, been up and down all day, but I do have an event to attend in an hour, believe it or not, and my hair is looking a hot mess. So I just wanted to come on and to show you guys how I refresh my boho locks and revive the curls. Yes, and this is human hair, but the hair is just not giving right now. It's, kind of limp and needs a little wake me up. But before I get into the video, guys, I am taking every opportunity I get to apologize for my last video. If you guys watched that video regarding the $5 synthetic hair that looks and feel like human hair, let me just declare that I am super sorry that the video does not have the audio on it. It has absolutely no audio other than the intro, because I was trying to edit out some copywritten music and my entire voiceover got deleted also. So it's like watching blindly, not knowing what's going on, but it's fine. I'm sure you guys were able to follow, but I just wanted to apologize for that. But anyway, let's get the ball rolling. As I explained, these are some boho box braids that I did, and I don't even know how I'm gonna style them for the party. I might wear them down, not sure yet, but let's get them looking decent first and foremost. So 3 basic things that I need to refresh and revive the style is my water bottle. Guys, I'm gonna show you how this water bottle operates. You have to get it. I'm gonna leave it in the link down below. I actually got it on Amazon, so I will hook you guys up on it. I also have my favorite leave-in conditioner, which is the Kinky Curly Not Today. If I find it, I'll link it also. And of course, a little bit of mousse, my favorite, the argan oil mousse from Cream of Nature. All right, so let's get going. First order of business is to section the hair. That's the easiest approach. So I'm gonna just work in quarters. Let me get the 1/2 out of the way first of all, and get the back quarter out of the way, and we're gonna work with the front section. All right, yes, that's what we're gonna do. All right, so as you guys can see, yes, I'm gonna start by spritzing my hair with it's almost as if you spray with this water bottle once, and even after you remove your fingers from the pump, it keeps spritzing the water. I love this bottle, guys. So you want to generously wet down the hair, and this is the first step to activating the curls. Water is your best friend if you want to try to revive and reactivate curls. And I love to do this scrunching method. That way I'm not disturbing the curls too much. I'm actually making sure that the water is absorbed into the curls without having to excessively rub it. So yeah. All right, so I feel like it has enough water at this point. See the difference? All right, so now I'm gonna go in with my Kinky Curly Not Today. This much. And I just apply it from the roots to the ends. Look at here, look at here. Look at here, look at here, guys. Definition is already underway. Operation definition already underway. All right, so gonna go in with my final step in the process, which is my mousse. And guys, this human hair is boss. I actually love it. I will definitely link it down below for you guys. Also, if you're interested to try it, it is one from the brand YG Wigs. And let me tell you, it does not disappoint. So as soon as this dries, you're going to see how the curls are nice and, you know, defined and has a lot more pizzazz, for lack of a better word. Pizzazz. All right, so now we're going to move over to the back. I'll do that and then I'll come back and maybe show you guys again for the front, the left front quadrant of my head. All right, stay tuned, don't go nowhere, be right back. All right guys, so I've done everywhere else and I just have this section to do, and I'm gonna just again spritz. Guys, you see what I was talking about when you spray with this bottle? Let's see if I can do it. My hand is already off of it and it's still spraying. No man, I love this water bottle. It's almost like an aerosol spray. Alright, so wet down this last section. Finger detangle. And then go in with my, you see this is already starting to get back some volume. Initially, until it dries, it will initially look, you know, very flat and somewhat lacking in volume, but trust me, it's going to come back to its former glory. All right, so I am raking through the leave-in conditioner, and guys, this will help to condition your hair within the braids also. So this is, you know, a much needed and a much appreciated dose of moisture for your hair also. All right, going with some of the leave-in onto the top part of the braid, specifically, intentionally, and then the mousse for the last step. Well, not the last step. There's one more thing that I like to do. Hold on, wait a minute, don't go nowhere. All right, I also go in with my Shine of My Nourishing Oil Blend, a little bit on my hands, rub it and distribute it in my scalp, and then the residual amount I just, you know, smooth it onto the curls. So guys, I will come back once the hair is dry, once I get ready, and I will show you guys the finished look. But look how much better it looks already, how much more revived and defined the curls look. Yeah. Anyway guys, I'll be back. If I'm not back, forgive me because I'm rushing to go to this event, so stay tuned. Or not. Alright guys, so I did manage to get ready in time to spare a few minutes to show you guys the outcome of the hair after it has dried down, and it actually dries super duper fast. I was so surprised at how fast the hair dried, and the curls, you know, have somewhat swelled up a little bit, or, you know, expanded,
and it looks way better in my opinion. It is looking way healthier. The curls are more defined and it has a little more sheen than when I just started. So yeah, it is a easy and quick and very effective way. I was about to say three ingredients, three products that are needed: just your water, your good old H2O, your leave-in conditioner of choice, and some mousse, and of course the oil. Of course, want to try One True Natural oil blend, because we went ahead and we perfectly blended and balanced the oil so that it's suitable for every hair type, and you guys will not be disappointed. Yeah, so I'm all set and ready. Sometimes you have your braids in and you feel like, oh, they're looking busted and you need to remove the style. You need to take them down because they're not giving. Trust me, try this method and you may be surprised to know that you have another 2 to 3 weeks left on your style. They just need a little bit of TLC and you are good to go. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.